Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the science of how food actually impacts our mental health.
Sure, we all love comfort food, but can your diet make a real difference with depression and anxiety? We've had hints for years, but now we've got real answers from some high-quality research.
Let's look at the SMILL's trial. It's a gold standard study called a randomized controlled trial.
Basically, this kind of study helps prove if something, like a new diet, actually causes a change. So, researchers took adults with depression and split them into two groups for a 12-week test. One group got coached on this ModiMed diet plan, basically a whole foods, Mediterranean style of eating. Okay, so 12 weeks later, did it actually work? This is where things get really fascinating.
You bet it did. On a standard depression scale, the diet group scores absolutely plummeted.
The improvement was about 7 points greater than the other group. That's a huge, meaningful difference.
Get this, nearly a third of the people in the diet group actually went into remission. And this is the key part. It wasn't about weight loss. It was about the food itself.
Okay, so the evidence for depression is strong. But what about something like anxiety?
Here, a study looked at fermented foods, think yogurt, kimchi, and social anxiety in young adults.
They looked specifically at people high in neuroticism, which is basically a tendency towards negative emotions. And what they found was wild. For this group, eating more fermented foods was linked to less social anxiety.
Now, a super important point, this shows a link, not that one causes the other.
But researchers think it's a promising, low-risk idea for helping to reduce social anxiety.
So what does all this mean for you? Let's put the big pieces together.
It's not about being perfect. It's about how small, consistent changes can make a big difference.